In Year 5, we can carry on in multiplication using the grid method. So for example, if I'm going to do 548 multiplied by 3, I'll start off by drawing a grid like this, which will allow me to partition my 548 into 5 hundreds, 4 tens and 8 units. And I'm going to multiply that number by 3. So now I need to go through and multiply each part of my grid. So 500 multiplied by 3 is 1,500. 40 multiplied by 3 is 120. And 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Now I need to take each of these 3 answers that I've got here in my grid and write them at the side here to allow me to add them together. So I'm just going to keep them nicely in columns here so I can add it together easily. So I have 4 units, 4 tens and 6 hundreds and 1,000. So my answer to this calculation is 1,644. Now I can also use this same method to move on a stage and be able to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. Now to do this I just need to change the shape of the grid slightly like this, so that I can now partition my 58 into 5 tens and 8 units across the top, and my 42 here partition into 4 tens and 2 units down the side. And now I'm going to multiply through each part of my grid again. So 40 multiplied by 50 is 2,000. 40 multiplied by 8 is 320. 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Now I need to take these answers here, put them again in columns at the side to allow me to add them together. So now I've got 6 units, 3 tens, 4 hundreds and 2 thousands. So my answer to this calculation would be 2,436.